everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that may irritate some of you, because you're going to say, well, the red dragon's gone, we're done with it, we don't have to worry about it anymore. That's true. But even before it was around, I would tell you to stockpile these. In fact, I had boxes of it prior to it when they were telling everybody to mask up. And that's dust masks. I love getting these ones that have the double straps, the two straps on them that go around the head, not around the ear. I've used these for woodworking, for working in dusty situations, cleaning out the attic, working under the house. Anywhere where it's dusty, you really should have a dust mask so you're not breathing that dust in. Yeah, your little nose hairs block out some of it, but they don't get a lot of it. When I was working construction, and whenever we were working on a water line that had the old cement pipe, the cement asbestos pipe, we would wear these because generally we have to cut it with a chop saw, and there's dust everywhere, even if we were spraying water on it. All right, now you can get the simple ones, the simple N95 masks like this. You can get the little bit more fancy ones. They have the little breathing port so it exhales out here. It doesn't have to worry about it blowing up around your glasses or whatever. There are a bunch. There are the ones that could do the half face, big rubber ones with the screw-on N95 filters on it. There are the whole face ones. Whatever it is that you want to use, get it and stockpile it. Now, if you're I'm talking about the ones with the full face and the half face ones have the cartridges. Stockpile the cartridges. And if you use the certain brands of cartridges, besides having the N95 ones that screws on, then it has a cap on it that has a pad in there that goes over it that extends the life of that N95 cartridge at least three times, because those little ones will get plugged up with the big chunks of dirt and dust and stuff. Toss it, put another one in there, and you keep going for, use the other one for days and days on end for it. So, dust masks. It's not just for a pandemic, okay? In fact, they are mainly for working around dusty situations. Working with cement dust. You're pouring bags and mixing cement. Wear a mask. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. And actually over there, I have in one of my how-to playlists, I was mixing a bunch of cement with my Harbor Freight cement mixer. And I had dust masks for that. All right, so once again, that's Camp Pat and Family Compound. I'll put that link right up here. Then I'm going to put the link to the Prepping for Beginners up here and the Prepping in Private playlist down here. See you around and take care. Why? Well, this is why.